Hey, scram out of here when.
Hey, who do you think you are, eh? Showing off like that, come classing.
Do you think you're better than everyone? Insurance guys are man.
When you are nothing, your job is to keep getting nice and fat so that my fees can land comfortably. And I hope you know that my sister was joking about marrying you. Why would she marry an excuse of a boy like you?
How can I be so stupid? I want to be an insurance business guy. What the hell is wrong with me? Like, what the hell was I thinking? I might as well fasten up my clown shoes because that's exactly what I am.
Hello, Jerry. Don't be scared. I don't bite.
Hey man, you can speak.
Yes. What's the matter?
Ish, it is the boys in my class. They're teasing me and saying I will not amount to anything in life. I told my teacher I want to become an insurance business person after asking us what we want to become after finishing school.
What inspired you to become an insurance magnate?
There's a story of this big insurance guy who built his own golf course with a big house that I read about in an Incita magazine. I thought if I worked hard I'd be just like that guy, but everyone is telling me I'm an idiot for thinking like that.
Listen, those boys have no control over your future. You can be anything you want in life. All it takes is hard work and dedication. So, stay positive and keep dreaming big. Come closer. You see, life will change after high school and you will meet new people in new places. So, worry not about the likes of those boys because they will not be in your life forever. Now go out there and be great.
This has got to be the most positive witchcraft I've ever seen. Thanks, Mrs. Bod.
Hey, Chickenizer, are you done crying, Tonam?
Mama, I'm gonna be rich one day. I'm gonna work so hard and make my dreams come true. Hey, don't just watch. Please like our video and leave a comment. Click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notifications too.